Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new and welcome to FeBAGuary. If you haven't been following this series, every single day the month of February, so all 28 days, I'm posting a daily handbag related video and I'm doing weekly unboxings and reveals on my channel of a new bag. And to end it all with a bang, I'm going to go and show you my entire handbag collection. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so I'd be so excited if you would help me along on that journey. And then let's go ahead and get started today. So today's video is going to be showing you my entire summer handbag collection. I don't have too many bags, but the ones that I do have I really enjoy. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. So the first one I'm going to show you is my neutral bags. But the first one that I really like is this woven bag here. This one is kind of like that crocheted one. And it has two long braided straps. And it's just like a big slouchy bag. It does have a back zipper. And then the interior is just a button closure that opens up into a big opening. It's got two zip pockets, one on one side, one in the center, and some slip pockets, but just a big opening. This is by the brand, I believe it's, yep, Croft & Barrow. And I just got this, I believe I thrifted this. And I just thought it was just a really simple, easy to wear bag. Just throw on your shoulders with like, you know, a beachy outfit, a linen shirt, kind of a white dress. It's beautiful. I do like the raffia and the straw bags, but the problem with those are like hard, you know, really stiff bags. And sometimes I like something that can just collapse, because oftentimes if I'm going on like a beachy trip or a vacation somewhere, I want to be able to put it into my actual luggage and not have to worry about it to, you know, getting damaged. So I love how this one can just like smash down and it's just so flat. So it's really easy, but then you can fill it up with a lot and it can hold a ton. Another kind of similar bag, that's another great summer bag, is this one right here. It's a little bit worse for wear right now. I kind of have to like get these down, but this one is actually a bag that I got from Target, from the Who What Wear line. And I love this one because it's this kind of, I don't know, like the shaggy thread material, which again needs to be kind of combed out. And then it's got these two handles, just these like rope handles. So you can hold it like this, just like kind of handheld, or you can tuck those in, and then it's got a longer strap here that you can wear crossbody or in your shoulder. So kind of versatile there. And this also is just a big empty opening, and it does have a little slip pocket. No, actually no pockets, just a big wide opening. And I like this again because it can kind of smash close, and I like the variation in colors between the two. So, you know, this is more like on the off-white, white color, and this is kind of your beige tan. So I really like the difference between those. Then I have this bag, which I had gotten as a gift, and I haven't worn, to be honest, but I'm kind of still hanging on to it. So this is a bag that I had gotten from one of my aunts. She just sent it as within a package. I love that embroidery. It's all hand stitched embroidery. It's beautiful. It's got a hand woven strap that attaches. And it's just a simple, kind of like a jute bag, top zip with just a big opening, and it's got a zipper pocket there. And very simple, just a long strap that you can wear crossbody or on the side. I haven't worn it yet. Honestly, I haven't had the chance to, but I've hung on to it because it is so slim, as you can see, but can still hold my phone and everything. And I figured, you know, this is like also a really nice, pretty beach bag. And definitely because in the summer I wear a lot of whites, this would just be like a nice kind of pop color and pattern with that. So I've hung on to that. And then my next one, love this one, is this bag. This is another Target find from, I believe it's the Universal Thread line, but this is a beautiful orange. I love orange. Woven bag, a little thicker weave here, a little thinner here, and then these kind of canvas straps. I love versatility in bags, as you guys know, so I love how this can be held top handle or in the crook of my arm, but then also it has these long kind of fabric straps, so it could be easily thrown over your shoulder. This is a great beach bag. I absolutely love it for that reason. And it opens up and it can hold a ton. It also came with this little pouch. So the pouch has these little snap buttons so you can attach it to the main bag, but it opens up. Oh, and no, actually this is by A New Day. So it's just an open pouch here, so you can put a little bit more of like your valuable things in here that you want to not be shown or, you know, fall through the cracks here. And then put it here and you can just kind of attach it right there. But I love how that goes inside it. So this is the other little summer bag, and this is probably my biggest one. I do also have, if you guys have seen my Longchamp collection, I do sometimes wear my Longchamp bags, especially the more neutral, colorful ones as my summer bags. But I think just the materials of these ones I'm showing you makes these ones specifically for summer. And I do carry them when I'm wearing casual outfits or if I'm going to the beach, and they're really versatile for that. So very small collection, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you are enjoying these videos, please let me know if there's any other suggestions you have for any videos, but I really hope you're enjoying FeBAGuary. I've really been enjoying making these videos daily, as challenging as it is to get them done and uploaded. It's been a lot of fun. So please, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.